What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jamel Munger bringing you back another video, man. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe for me, man. Turn that bell on so you can see all the new videos I'm dropping, man. If you already been subscribed, I just want to say I appreciate you, man. The channel's been going up, all because of y'all. I appreciate the support. I appreciate the sharing. But today's video, as you seen by the title, I'm gonna be smacking some floor pans in my Monte Carlo. I had these floor pans when I bought the car. They just been sitting. I never really got rid of them, you know what I'm saying? Because I knew eventually I was gonna have to do the floor. In a perfect world, before y'all even get in the comments, I want to put a full new floor pan in there so I'll never have to worry about this ever again. And it probably would just save me so much headache later on. But I'm dealing with a professional welder, so hopefully we'll see how it comes out. But yeah, I'm just gonna like I said, before y'all get in the comments, this is how I want to build my car for right now, on my budget, on my time crunch, you know what I'm saying? This is what I'm gonna do. You know, everybody build their cars differently. I ain't about to go in a whole spiel about it gets my money, my car. I'm gonna do what I want to do. But for right now, we're just gonna smack this floor in because I'm just tired of that hole in the floor. But this next video, I'm gonna show y'all what we have right now. I'm gonna introduce the welder, and yeah. Here we go. All right, got Neach right here. You getting his tools together. What you got right here, Neach? What's this called?
It's a cutting blade.
Okay, cutting blade. You got a sawzall in there?
Sawzall.
Okay. Professional welder here, man. He don't play around. You say you purchased a new shield yesterday, didn't you?
Yeah.
Got a new shield.
Got a new shield for a new job.
All right. So this is what the floors look like now. Hole right there. It's just soft, man. Solid up here. It's got a couple of holes right there. On the driver's side. Hole. Get it done.
How that one gonna go?
All right, got a modified. We try to keep these. Cutting the flange off on that side, so we gotta make something happen.
What?
Yes.
We need a move?
No.
We ain't looking at it. I can't even see what he doing. I would have looked so bad though.
Yeah, but you not looking, but you still right there.
It's not like what? I'm not looking at the phone, looking at it.
When you start welding, just turn your head. It gonna be already.
I guess it sounds like it. Yeah.
Is it?
I'm looking just like you.
That's it. That's it. No. I didn't know this had sound in it.
Me neither. I thought it was like loud.
And me too. You do.
I'm not looking at you.
You already did something.
Dang, be patient. Smooth. Main man Nick's getting it done, boy. Well, that's 1-4 done, pretty much. Well, one rear. That's the side we should have started on. What up, y'all? Just wanted to close out the video. Get in the comment section, man. I appreciate y'all feedback. Let me know what y'all think about that weld job, man. I mean, I think it's pretty decent for a backyard job. The last clip that y'all seen in the video, that's not how it was like finished. It's smoothed out now. This, like I said, this is part 1. There'll be a part 2 for the other side, and then I think I got to do the passenger front. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish that this week, but I'll definitely bring y'all some content on that. But yeah, that rear passenger side is smoothed out around the wheels. It's not like lumpy as you've seen in the video. But the beginning of part 2, you'll see how that passenger side came out. And like I said, y'all let me know y'all feedback, man. I appreciate all the comments, good or bad. You know what I'm saying? We got tough skin over here, and we're gonna do what we want to do anyway. But yeah, man, y'all let me know some. Yeah, appreciate y'all for watching, man. If you made it this far, leave a comment, like, subscribe, man. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I don't know, man. I'm feeling in a good mood. I might do like some type of Monte Carlo giveaway or something. Whether it be a decal kit, I don't know, some SS logos, I don't know. But I'm feeling a little generous, man. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all keep rocking with me. Yeah, that's the end of this video. Hope y'all enjoyed. We out.